Greetings and welcome to Delightful_Dawn morning routine. As you see, every morning I get woken up by a little baby. Auntie, I'm hungry. Auntie, wake up. Baby, what do you need? This is my morning every morning. But you know I love him. I love my nephew, so I wouldn't kick him out. I just say, come over and give Auntie a big old hug and kisses. Smooches. All right, baby, I'll see you later on. Time for me to wake on up. Yes. Don't you ever have those times in the morning where you think, I need a little energy. It's been a long night. But wait, I think I might need some bitter energy mints. You know what I'm saying? Just to try one, pop it in the mouth and see if I can get a little energy for the day. I've been really, looking into this company, and they sent me this to try to do a little review, and so I'm going to just chew it on up and see do I get that little perk of energy they say I get. And you know what? I think I might have just a little bit of energy. So, after I take that Viter energy mint, I'll start my day, baby. You feel me? It's going to be a great day, I think, of how great dawn can be. You know what I'm saying? Back in 1867, my college was established, and, they made me one of a thinker to think of many great things of who I can be. Talladega College, shout out to you. I normally make up my bed in the morning, no big deal. Like, the floor looks a hot mess. I do my makeup, do my eyebrows, honey. I highlight for the glance. You feel me? I make sure that I can be beat to sleep. And then I just go about my day. I have to always, think about what I'm going to wear. And today, I think that after I do my makeup, I'm going to put on some black and blue. Yes, I said black and blue because I feel like that always makes me look snatched. You feel what I'm saying? Just something comfortable for the weather, for the people out there. Nothing big, nothing bad. And I go about my day, baby. I want to take you on this little mini vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed it thus far. It's like it's recording.
Oh, I thought you said to take a picture.
Oh my God. How is it, Maxine?
Tastes just like Chicago.
Let me see.
It tastes just like Chicago.
I never had it.
Oh, taste it. It's good. Let me get you a good bite.
I can't have it close to me, please.
Oh, it's different in Chicago. It's got a little stringiness to it.
This cheese?
Elote.
That's good. Ooh,
It's good, ain't it?
that's fire.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
They got two different cheeses in this one. It's different from Chicago. They got the Parmesan cheese that's wrinkly on top, but they got some kind of stringy cheese in here, and it tastes delicious. Come on.
So it's around 6 o'clock in the evening, and Maxine asked me,
Hey, are you feeling kind of tired?
and I am. So you want a little boost of energy? I'm gonna try the Viter energy again, the same peppermint flavor, and let's see if I just perk on up. Maxine, would you like one?
No, thank you.
Oh, you know what? She must have enough energy.
I do.
Well, we're gonna try this again.
I feel like it's
I do feel the freshness. I think that this really did perk me up. That's what you can think, because if you want one, you can have one. I feel the perkage. I really do feel more alert.
Do you?
My breath, yes, like I don't feel as low as I did before. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's see how long this lasts. Can it be the mint effect? Is that what's perking me up? All right, y'all. See how the next part.